Hello guys, welcome to Tally Prime classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about the laser creation, alteration and deletion. So we will see first what is laser, and then we will check how we have to create the laser and how we can delete those. So guys, if I talk about the laser, a laser is the actual account head to identify your transaction and are used in all accounting vouchers like purchase, payment, sale, receipt and other voucher heads are laser accounts. Okay. Without a laser, you cannot record any transaction. So in Tally software, we cannot pass any kind of transaction without the laser. So first we have to create the laser. After that we will see and check how we can pass the transaction. So in this process we will see how we have to create or alter the lasers. So here in the example we have to create the following lasers with the opening balance in Tally company. So here are the laser list. All these lasers we have to create and we will create in Tally software. The first laser is capital, and here the amount is given. This amount is basically the opening balance of last closing financial year. In the next financial year we will keep it as opening balance. So let's move on to the Tally software and see how we have to create the lasers. So to create a laser you have to click on the create option. Then you will see a list of lasers here. Click on that. In the name option we have to type the laser name which we are creating here. The alias is optional, we can type if any. Capital laser will go under the capital group. You can see list of group is coming here, so you can select accordingly. Then we have to just fill the opening balance, which is 5 lakhs in this case. After putting all the details, we just need to save that by Ctrl A. In the same process we'll create the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank guys will be the bank account for us. You can type IFSC code, account number and other details of bank like bank address and as well. Opening balance you have to put here as 4 lakh rupees. Save that by Ctrl A. Next is office rent. Office rent is basically an expense, so that will go under the indirect expense. If I type IND, you will see indirect expense and income both are coming. I have to select indirect expense. Then I just need to put the opening balance, which is 35,000. Save that. The next is machinery. In the same process you will create all the lasers. Machinery is the asset, so that will go under the fixed asset here. After that the amount of this machinery is 60,000. Save it. Next, closing stock. Closing stock will go under the stock in hand. That will be a current asset. Value of closing stock is 36987. Save that by Ctrl A. Next is outstanding telephone bill. So we can type O/S telephone bill. That will go under the current liability. But for this we have created a group by name outstanding expense. So we can select that. The balance is 1589. Then save it by Ctrl A. Next we have to create drawings here. Drawing size will be go under the capital account. That will be debited from the capital account. 50,000 is the value. You have to press a DR here for the drawing laser. Save that. Next is loan from Axis Bank. That will go under the secured loans and the balance is 3 lakh rupees. Save it. Interest received, that will go under the indirect incomes. The balance is given 46,000. Next is cash. Cash laser let's create. You can see an error is coming. Name already exists, enter a different name. So we cannot create two lasers with the same name. So cash and profit and loss are the predefined laser in Tally software that are already created. We have to alter those. So to alter those laser, we have to click on the alter option from gateway of Tally, and we will click on the laser option, and here we will see the cash, and in this location we will put the opening balance of cash 40,000. Save that. Next we have to go back again to the create option, lasers, and here is the next land and building. That will be our fixed asset and the value of land and building is given 6 lakh rupees. Save it. The next is loan to employee. Loan to employee guys will go under the loans and advance because we have given the loan to our employee and the value is 89,000. Save that. We have guys created all the mentioned laser here. If you want to alter any kind of laser and if you want to delete as well, you will just have to click on the alter option, and here you will see the laser, and just select the laser which you want to change anything or which you want to delete. Just open that, change anything you want, or you can press Alt D to delete that laser. So guys, in this video we have discussed about how we have to create the laser, what are the lasers, and how we can alter or delete the lasers in Tally software. Thank you.